Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. Kara plots points L and M in the coordinate plane. The x-coordinate of point L is the opposite of the x-coordinate of point M. The y-coordinate of point L is the opposite of the y-coordinate in point M. Which statements are true about the points? Choose all of the correct answers. So I propose that we actually think of a hypothetical situation. So let's do point L and point M. And let's think of hypothetical values where this would be true. So we're going to think of our x value, which remember is always the first value that's listed, and then we'll think of hypothetical y's that make these statements true. All right, so let's read it again and try to wrap our heads around this. The x-coordinate of point L is the opposite of the x-coordinate in point M. So how about we make this a 2, and this will be the opposite, which would be a -2. Right? So let's read it again and make sure that what we have here is true in our hypothetical situation. The x-coordinate of point L is opposite of the x-coordinate of point M. These two are opposites, so we have a hypothetical situation where that applies. All right, now let's deal with this next little nugget, which is the y-coordinate of point L is the opposite of the y-coordinate of point M. So how about we have point L be, how about a 5? And let's have point M be a -5. And let's read it one more time and make sure that this is true. So it says the y-coordinate of point L is the opposite of the y-coordinate in point M. All right, now I'm going to propose that we go ahead and plot what we've created here. So if we plot point L, we're going to go over 2 and up 5. Let's put an L. For point M, we're going to plot left 2 and then go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's label it point M. All right, and now let's go through the answer choices and see which ones might apply, given not only what we've plotted here, but what we have as our hypothetical situation. All right, A, it says the points are on opposite sides of the x-axis. So here's the x-axis. Are they on opposite sides? B, the points are in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. So we have quadrant 1, and is this quadrant 4? This is quadrant 3, so I don't know if that would apply. C, the points are the same distance from the y-axis. So here's the y-axis. Are they the same distance? Because this one is 1, 2 away, and is this also 2 away? Consider that one. D, the points are located on the same horizontal line. So a horizontal line, remember, is one that goes across. So I'm just going to draw a horizontal line. I'm going to draw a horizontal line right here. That's a horizontal line. So is that true? Are the points located on the same horizontal line? All right, let's put that away. And point E, the points are reflections of each other across the x-axis. So remember, this is the x-axis. Is this a reflection of this? Ask yourself yes or no on that. All right, now, if you're still not satisfied, then it might be a good idea to do another hypothetical L and M. So L and M. And how about we make this one maybe be, how about like a -3? Which means that the opposite of that would be 3. And how about we use a negative value for our y? How about we use like a -6? And the opposite of that would be 6. Now, if we plot these, let's see if there's any kind of pattern or something that we can identify. If we plot this, we're going to plot our new L. So let's go left 3 and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be right here. And if I plot this, I would go over 3 and I would go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our M. Now, it might not be a bad idea to go through all of these choices and kind of go through each one and ask yourself, am I going to be picking the same ones with the purple hypothetical points as I did for the green hypothetical points. And if that still doesn't get you anywhere, then maybe try a couple more hypothetical points to help solidify which answer choices you want to pick. All right, remember you have to choose all the correct answers.